So the amazing benefits of implant-supported dentures are, it's like having your own teeth again. So many people have dentures that they move, they fall out, they can't eat all the foods that they like to eat. They can't taste all the foods that they love the taste of. But with implant-supported dentures, it's amazing. The dentures lock in place, allow you to eat all the foods that you love to eat, and look great. Don't hesitate to give us a call, because we can provide a free consultation and a free 3D scan so we can find and solve your solutions and create a wonderful way for you to eat all the foods you love. Look forward to meeting you. Have a great day.